Right now I am Barnes & Noble. I'm passing Barnes & Noble. Well, I'm coming that way. I mean, if you guys are getting on your bikes, we can meet somewhere, but I'm headed that way right now. Alrighty then.
Hey, Dad. The dad of the group.
Why? I got a so I guess everything evens out. Dad!
We just saw this dude trying to do a wheelie and all I could think of was like, damn, he would have pooped on him.
Ooh, it's all good, bro. We should all start there somewhere. I'm still ass at wheeling, brother. All I know is how to power wheelie.
Remember the time about the first time he did a wheelie? He said he was like, you know, maybe.
Oh, I came off like maybe like 4 inches, bro, and I thought I was.
If you're riding it, anybody
No, he said he was killing it, bro. He was like,
you'll see when you first get it up. You'll be like, oh shit, but it's like this, bro. Did you put it on? Let me see it. Is it just like a slip-on piece?
Yeah, just like the way it rides now, way better.
Really?
It sounds way better. I'm not like fucking sounds like a breath.
Because it was wide open. No, it's like directional. Cuties. Cutie alert. Cutie alert. What's up, bro? Huh? I can't hear you. We're going right there. Not yet. I know him. I need gas too. Hey, stop on that Chevron on O'Malley though. That O'Malley Chevron with the car wash by Alaska Club. Let's go there. Let's go get gas. You're not getting no gas?
I filled up before I started riding this board.
For real? Yo, should I put diesel in it?
Yeah.
You think it will run smoother?
That's Magnus.
Magnus! Are you putting diesel in it? Why? I heard it's better. Yo, it's kind of hot.
That's what I was
Huh?
thinking, bro. I was like, damn, I need to take a layer off, but when the clouds go away, it helps.
I'm straight.
What do you want?
I don't got nowhere to put it. Huh?
Something you can carry on you.
Give me one of those gallon jugs, bro. I got it. A gallon of water or something. I'll put it on my head.
Got that bitch to my shoulder.
That water is so cold. I don't know how they're in there right now. Oh, you got air.
Probably. Oh, see ya. What happens to that shit? Just fucking sends you out there.
Windstorm just
Yeah,
takes
what?
Yo, they leaned in. What's up with your mirror? What's up with your mirror? We going up or what?
Yeah, how's it going?
What do you think about life?
It ends real quick, man.
It's hella windy. Bro, if that rock right there fell off the
Alright, yo, let's get out of here
It's
before
a
we
wrap.
hit a gust of wind, bro. For real, that shit's just gonna blow. Look where we going. Yo. What are they doing here? We still gotta wait.
How long is this fucking line?
Oh, I'm about to call him and ask.
Hey, lane split or what?
Hell no. He said. Oh man, gotta wash my bike now. So dirty. Why?